Final answer. The correct answer is all 12. Ito, pagbuksong tinig. The correct answer is Pico. Alright. So, all correct. All correct time. Final answer? Okay. The correct answer is what state of matter? It's liquid crystalline form siya. Liquid form. Who was the first Pinoy Chief Justice? Cory Aquino ran under what political party in the 1986 snap election?
Wait lang. Di ba No!
Philippine Laban.
Okay. Dapat sinulat nila parehas, nagsulat na sila parehas, bibigyan ko ng clue para gusto nila ng balikan. Alright? This time, kailangan nila ang tulong nyo. Okay? Okay, Cory Aquino ran under what political party in the 1986 snap election? Ang kalaban niya dito si Marcos Sr. Unito or Lakas NUCD. Obviously, mali yung sagot nila, di ba? So, dapat balikan. Okay. Ang unang makapagsulat, sige, sulat mo lang, sir. Unito or Lakas? Para...
Wala tayong panalo.
Okay, kayo na ba kayo? Sabay isa ng panalo.
Wala panalo.
Okay? So, kapag tinawag ang nanalo, sabay-sabay kayong tatayo, dahil mananalo kayo ng prize natin. Ayan, ito. Ito yung prize nyo. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung prize ng mananalo. So, isi-share nyo ito. Depende kung gusto nyo mag-share nyo sa kalaban ninyo. So, and the winner is... So, noong 1986, nagkaroon ng snap election, si Marcos ran under KPL. Okay? Ang Lakas NUCD ay partido ni Ramos. Bonito! One more time! Alright, congratulations! So, depende kung ang boses mo at saka pagpapatawa mo at napaiyak mo, pwede ka na pastor. Dito hindi pwede. Right? May tinatawag na local license, district license, hanggang ordination. So, is that over? But if you quit, and kinakaya isang question nyo, arms forward, please, arms forward. Make sure to massage the person in front of you. Head massage, head massage, head massage, head massage, head massage. Shoulder massage, shoulder massage. Waist massage, waist massage. About face, about face, about face. Arms forward, please. Head massage, head massage, head massage. Neck massage, neck, shoulder.
ayun po, so pinagsama-sama ko na po lahat ng aming mga natutunan. So, sige po yung akin po na is, number 1 is, don't be afraid to do the unpopular decision. Kasi we know that we are a follower of Christ. And we know what is true. And alam natin kung ano yung nakaka-please kay Lord, di ba? And kahit magtampo pa sila, hindi sa wala tayong pakialam. But if you stood what is right, you are doing the right thing. And a leader should elevate his and or her subordinates. Sa inyo yung mga nakita. And integrity is an important ingredient of a good leader. Agree naman po tayo lahat dun, no? Pag wala ka integrity, nagkakos lang ito na chaos and distractions. And a leader, syempre, as a leader, you must be a good follower too, of course, right? And although someone has an effective leadership, but no integrity, sabi ko kanina, will lead to distraction and chaos. And lastly is leadership isn't a popularity contest. It's a responsibility full of integrity. Kaya hindi lang po basta-basta pagiging leader. Kaya sa lahat ng mga ating mga leaders, supervisors, and managers, we should respect them too. Because they're also following kung ano yung nasa taas nila. Ayun lang.
Group 2. Patayo na daw yung group 2 eh. Group 2 nila kaya. Yan, palakpakan naman natin yung group 2. Inside the
Ayan, sa ginawa ko lang sa grupo namin to make it more, mas makapag-share kami na divide kami sa 3 groups. Para, kasi sobrang malaki yung isang grupo eh, so hindi makapag-share yung kada isa. So, nag-divide kami sa 3 groups. So, ito yung mga, sa unang grupo, nakapag-create sila ng, 4 na topic to, at ito yung pinaka na create nila. Yung cultivating leadership, it means na dapat may firm decision ang leaders, ang mga leaders. Ayun. Also, dapat may trusting members, and also good in managing the team, and dapat may nalitan caring members. So, next naman lang sinabi is yung integrity. So, dapat firm ang decision, di ba? Doing what is right. Tama, mabasa ko pa. Doing what is right. And also having discipline, not just pag-impose ng discipline, but also having discipline sa sarili. And being an effective leader, so you have to work with the team, not just commanding. So we lead by example, not just by giving them work dun sa organization. Pwede dito, maganda rin na-share ng isang naming team. Sabi dito, ang pagiging leader daw nag-start sa sarili. So if we, being a good leader po, ang leadership should always start sa atin. So para maging good role model din tayo sa ating mga kasama sa team. So every organization needs leader, of course, who are, and of course, strong leader, balance, empathy, and courage. Hindi lang tayo pwede empathy, hindi lang tayo pwede courage sa isang organization. It should balance yung pareho. And of course, sabi nga nila, flag mo, kamukha mo. So, like it or not, we are called to be leaders, and leadership makes leaders makes difficult decisions. That's why it's very important na lagi tayo ay mag-integrity. And lastly, let's always learn to admit if we parang nagkaroon tayo ng fault, parang huwag na tayo magturuan, huwag na tayo make reason para, alam yun, para mapahaba pa yung proseso. But learn to admit if it's your fault. So yun po yung sa, and of course, yung sa last group naman, halos parehas din. Yung leaders na semblance, their flag. So kung ano po yung pinapakita natin, kung ano yung pinapakita ng team natin sa ibang tao, usually yun yung salamin natin sa kanila. So yun po yung kasabi. Thank you po.
Palakpakan na natin ang group number 2, Team Tagalit.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Let's say, Tag Inget Team, group number 2. Palakpakan natin ang group number 2. Let's go!
Oh yeah!
Ayun po yung microphone. Ayun po yung
Good afternoon po.
Noon.
This is what we gathered. Sabi po ng karamihan, leadership is rooted in servanthood, modeled by our Lord Jesus Christ. Sinasabi dito, it's not about wielding power or authority, but about empowering others to fulfill their God-given potential and participate in God's mission. We gathered 5 here, but mostly it's about integrity. So, one of these is servant leadership. Jesus explicitly rejected the hierarchical model of leadership common in the world, stating that those who want to be great must be servants. So, another thing is shepherding. Jesus is the best, not only the best, but good shepherd who lays down his life for the sheep. And next is stewardship. Every believer is entrusted with gifts and talent to be used for the benefits of others, not personally. Okay? And another is love. Because without love, love is the foundation of all Christian leadership. And the next is humility. Christ's humility should be the model of Christian leaders. And integrity is about upholding ethical principles in all action and decision. Yung po. That is what we gathered.
Maraming salamat
Oh,
po.
yeah.
Thank you. Tapos na ba lahat? Ay, isa pa. Okay. Let's go. Tingnan na rin. Palamakan natin. Team Saglawin. Group number 1.
Ayan po. So, ito po yung sa group po ng Taglamig. First group po. Ayan, so, para-paras po yung, madami po yung sagot po namin kasi dinesignate din namin. But, sila Maris po siya. At meron po kami ditong nakita na mas marami. But simulan ko po dun sa mga simpleng nabanggit po. So sabi po dito, sa effective leadership po. So effective leadership, it's really important that we are valuing, empowering, and guiding others towards a shared goal. So napakahalaga po na kapag meron tayong goal or may vision po tayo, yung effective leadership, pag may goal tayo, kapag hinahanap po natin yung leadership po natin, to become an effective leaders, dapat may vision. Sabi nga po, a leader without a vision is ambition. So, or a plan without a vision is ambition. So, next po is integrity. So, share po sa atin dito, it shows the character of a leader that affects the group. So, napakahalaga po ng integrity po ng bawat isa sa atin bilang mga leaders. Number 3 is cultivating leadership. Leader is the overseer. Leader is the truth teller. He or she must have a firm and consistent, become consistent or be consistent on his decision. So sabi po dito, kagaya po ng sinabi ng group 2, leaders resemble their flocks. Diba po? So sabi nga po, may isa po nag-share, adapt good things or positivity in every situation. So kung ano po yung, sabi nga po kanina, pag negative, may positive ding outcome sa iba, pero mostly magkakaroon na po ng bearing doon sa magiging sa leadership po. So next po, yung tinatawag po the importance of discipline. So sabi po dito, without discipline, yung leadership po is not even effective. Sabi nga po, what black see, kung ano pa nakikita ng atin pong mga nasasakupan, they will base their value and attitude toward it. And importance of discipline as well is developing spiritual maturity and mold Christ-likeness, righteousness, and holiness. So it eliminates further problems somehow atin pong leadership. At ang pinaka-top po, ang pinaka-popular po sa lahat ay ang unpopular decision. The popular is the unpopular decision. Yan. Sabi po dito, dahil kapag napakahirap pong mag-lead na meron kang masasaktan. Di ba? Sabi po ng ating speaker kanina. Kasi meron po tayong times that we will compromise. Yung damdamin nila. But during those compromising attitude, dapat po we always speak in love. Mahalaga po may pag-ibig pa din. Diba sabi nga po, ano po yun? Open rebuke is better than secret love. So we have to choose and to stand. We have to learn and to listen as well. So hindi lamang po tayo nakatingin sa part na kung anong decision natin, but kagaya po ng example kanina ng ating pong speaker na nagkaroon siya ng isang decision na nag-stand siya doon. And he became clear to that. So a popular decision, it is difficult, but we need to be done. A leader should be firm when reaching the time to choose. Because during that decision, it leads to success. So lastly po, pasensya na po, masyado po madami. So lastly po, hindi ko na po siya yung nababasahin ko na lang po yung kanya magsimulat. Sabi po dito, strong leaders balance empathy with courage. It set an example of what needs to be done and important to show. Okay, doing is what is right. Number 3, lead or decide to what is right even others don't accept it. And leaders were able to have a mutual understanding and purpose of their team or member. And lastly, to have a good result and coordination will be okay with all the members, company and organization team. We have to have a strong leadership balance. Yun lang po.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan. Salamat po. Kahit anong po, pakibigay po sa kanila, tag-isa sila. Ayan. This is a bigger group, so that's all. Listen, we will have a battle of the brainless. Okay? So, your answers, you will get it from your teammates. Kailangan magkasundo kayo. You must agree with your answers. And your team leader, your team captain, will write their answer here. Now, there are choices. So, don't worry. Hindi mahirap. It's either A or B. No? But if ever na magkaparehas kayo ng sagot, it's okay. Okay? So, pinakamadami to December. Sorry, January to June lang pala. January to June, raise your hands. There you go. July to December, raise your hands. Alright, let's go. So, lahat ng January to June, dito uupo. Lahat ng July to December, dito uupo. Magpalat ko muna sa bestie mo. So, let's go. Let's see that. So, January to June, you will be called Team Tag-Init. July to December, you will be called Team Tag-Lamig. make sure the person beside you ay ibalikan nyo magkalikit, shoulder to shoulder, shoulder to shoulder. So, medyo palitin natin yung circle. There you go. Let's make the circle smaller. So, everybody must inside the circle. Everybody must inside the circle. Everybody inside the circle. There you go. Everybody, so, okay. Okay, where's your right hand? Show me your right hand. Show me your right hand. There you go. Now, turn to your right. Turn to your right. Arms forward, please. Arms forward. Arms forward. Now, I'm sorry. I want you to massage the person in front of you. Ay, taas mo na. Audio. Audio na. Audio mo, audio. Okay, head massage. Head massage. Head massage. Neck massage. Neck massage. Shoulder massage. Shoulder massage. Waist massage. Waist massage. Ayan, repeat mo. About face, about face, about face. Arms forward, please. Arms forward. Head massage. Head massage. Neck massage. Neck massage. Shoulder massage. Shoulder massage. Waist massage. Waist massage. Alright, before you go back to your seats, make sure na mag-high five ka sa harapan mo at sa likod mo. Tell that person, you look sexy this morning. You may go back to your seats, thank you. Bago na ngayon. Setting firm boundaries may provoke resistance, but avoiding those choices can allow deeper problems to grow. The first time we were here, we had a... Thank you. Nanto ka pa eh. Okay. Pag-ilapog ka na rin yung audio. Salamat. Okay, are you ready to rumble? Parang nanto ko itong round na ito. Are you ready to rumble? Okay, let's start for question number 1. May, the first president to live in Malacanang. Alright? Now you go to your teammates and then ask your teammates what is the answer, and then I'll give you a clue. Is it MLQ or Aguinaldo? Bawal po mag-google. Masyado na po tayo, huwag po tayo ng naya. Pinalaya na po tayo ng Panginoon. So everybody must agree sa answer nyo. Everybody must agree sa answer nyo.
Rinaldo ko.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, write your answer please. So, 1 point. 1 point for pakinggan na po. Ayan, tapos 1 point talaga. Ayan. May pagmura po. So you must agree. Before you write down here, you must agree. Walang sisihan, okay? Walang sisihan. In 3, 2, 1. Ganun sila ka-confident. Nag-get down na sila. Okay. Puto. Alright. Bad breath is halitosis. Ayan. The correct answer is puto. So ano sasabihin natin? Okay, parehas kayo. Kasi parehas kayo tao. Know you. Wala ka. Imagine mo, wala ka. Right? of this, the right decision can sometimes feel uncomfortable, disruptive, and even unfair in the moment. Using your right hand. Nung nasa kanan mo, tapingin mo. Ay, sabi nasa harapan mo na lang pa. Tapingin mo. Ayan. Sabi mo sa kanya, you remind me of Rafiki. Admirable, wise, and grounded in faith. Okay, ayos ba yung audio? Thank you. Raise your left hand. Raise your left hand. There you go. No? Tapingin mo yung katabi mo. Sabihin mo sa kanya, kamukha mo si Rafiki. Taas mo namin yung audio kasi hindi yung pulisan nila. Okay. Walang HR policy. You cannot run a company na walang HR policy. Right? Hindi pwedeng pamilya lang. Nakapag-relate ka, minsan naman tayo. Sabi ko, malay ko, kumakain naman ng uwi. Any guess? Bakit? Bakit di siya kinakain? Di ba? Ba't kaya hindi kinakain si Rafiki? Kasi Rafiki has a purpose. He's not sa praise status. Rafiki is a part of the food chain. He's part of the wisdom chain. Although technically he can be 10. He's the seer or the overseer. He's the teacher, the truth teller, the one who anoints things. Siya yung pastor, siya yung spiritual leader nila. Kaya hindi kinakain. Kasi leaders who understand purpose don't consume what they need to survive. If you're a lion, kahit gutom ka, I cannot consume this mandrill. Bakit? Because I need this monkey for me to survive. I need direction, I need guidance, and this monkey provides me effective leadership. So kahit pwede ko siyang kainin, hindi ko siya kakainin. There are people in a company na malakas, diba? Malaki. Pwede nilang sakalin yung HR nila na maliit lang. Di ba? But they don't. Why? Because they need that person for them to survive. Right? Not everything you have power over is meant to be consumed. Some things are meant to be honored. Di ba? Pag nakasalubong mo si Cynthia Villar, hindi mo, napaka regular person ang itsura din eh. Pero pag nakasalubong mo, abay, di ba, kakamayan mo, hello po, Senator. Di ba? Ako, hindi ko type dati si Jingoy Estrada. Pero nakasalubong ko sa Cardinal Santos, kinamayan ko pa eh, hello po, Senator. Pero hindi ko talaga siya gusto before. I mean, for some reason, hindi ko siya gusto. Ayaw ko ng mga pelikula niya. Hindi ako nagkakupuhan sa kanya. For some reason, that's just a choice. Alam niyo, mas gusto ko siguro FPJ, yun na yung ganang action stars, whatsoever. Nothing personal, okay? Pero nakita ko sabi ko, hello po, Senator. Ginamayan ko pa di ba? Bakit? Some things are meant to be honored. Hindi lahat kinatabla, ika nga. When leaders lead with integrity. Okay. Crab and hairs from what country? The correct answer is France. What are you doing if you stop rice goods?
Kasi pag China, mga plastic yung yan.
Thailand. Sa paras Thailand.
Palit plastic.
Sa paras Thailand. Okay. isa sa pinakamagandang rice talaga galing Thailand. Saka top producer din sila. Pero speaking of land area, mas malaki ang land area ng China. So sila ang world's top rice producer. China. It's correct answer in China. Okay. Name the first Filipino Christian. Oh! Naghihiwalay. Only one, di ba? Malamang, isa dyan, tama. The correct answer is, dapat sisigaw ha, get out. 16! Alright. At what Fahrenheit temp does water freeze? 0 or 32? So parehas na 32. The correct answer is 32. Yan. So parehas tama. What sport literally means to train naked? Gymnastics or synchronized swimming? Synchronized swimming or gymnastics? What sport literally means to train naked? Wala. 7x. Okay. San Agustin.
San Agustin.
Okay, we have parehas, San Agustin. The correct answer is San Agustin. Ayan. So, all one. How many LRT stops between Baclaran and Monumento? Bawal mag-Google, ha? Bawal mag-Google. Pero pwede kayo magbilang. To Monumento. MRT, LRT yan. Hindi MRT. One yan, one. LRT 1. Baclaran to Monumento, 16 or 15? Kissing. Okay. It's 8-7. The correct answer is kissing. 9-8. The name Pateros literally means what? Potters or duck racers? Duck racers. Kaya kasi di ba yung pato. Spanyol yan eh, pato. Kaya yung lugar tinawag na Pateros kasi maraming pato. It's Pateros. Duck Racers! Tama pa rin ang Taglamig. Pag na-maintain nyo yung lead nyo, Taglamig, bitch, papalit tayo. What is the oldest Philippine political party? Nationalista or liberal? Nationalista or liberal? Nationalista or liberal? Okay. Parehas na nationalista. Ang pinakamatanda na hanggang ngayon ay political party pa rin. It's Nationalista Party. Okay. So lamang pa rin ang isa, ang Team Taglamig. Tiebreaker to. Hopia literally means what? Paasa. Parang may hugot din paasa. So since ito ay tiebreaker, walang choices. Hopia literally means what? Ay, hindi pala ito tiebreaker lang ang pala isa. Lalagyan mo ng choice. Ayan o. Lucky bread or good bread?
Lucky. Lucky Blake. Oh, kaya na yan eh. Good.
Okay.
Good. Kabayan eh.
Hopya literally means
Mas matamis pa. Oh.
good friend. Pero congratulations! Panood na natin Taglamig! Ibigay mo si gabang parang ng chocolate at saka ito. Tindigan natin. Ayan. Panapakan naman natin ng Team Taglamig. Bumawi. Para kayong si MPG. Papabugbog muna sa una. Alright, so at least parehas na nalo, di ba? Ngayon, kung binigyan kayo kanina, bigyan nyo sila. Kung di kayo binigyan, sagoy yun. Okay. Okay. So, let's go now. Nagbago isip. Okay, gusto mga nakatayo. Saan banda? Sa kaliwa, sa kanan? Oh, tama sila, tama sila. Ah, sige, tingnan natin yung iba. Ayun, nakita na. Ayun, nakita na. Okay, yung sa mga tumayo. Saan banda? Sa taas, sa baba? Sa baba, ayan. May clue na yung iba, may clue. Hintayin natin yung iba, ayan lang natin.
Albo.
Malaman. Okay, sino gusto sa mga nakatayo? Sino gusto mag-volunteer para ituro? Taas ang kamay. Okay, sir. Sir Toby. Ayan, ituro niyo po sa banda.
Sorry. Okay. Second to the left. That one with no.
Eto, nakita niyo na? Nakita niyo na? Okay.
Masyadong ang company or yung top management natin. So leadership is something na dapat you have to be flexible enough to the right way. Hindi you just doing your thing without even thinking kung ano ikabubuti ng isang tao without even thinking kung ano kasasama naman ng company natin. Let's all be together, flexible enough, all together, or get together natin. Na-realize ko na because it's leadership and how to handle what we are doing here, na-realize ko na malaking tulong yung mga tao na kausap ko, nakasalamuha ko sa mga iba-ibang lugar. At malaking tulong din po ang isang buwan kong pag-stay dito dahil nakita ko ang difference ng isang Christian family like this na hindi pwedeng pairahin lahat kung ano yung gusto mo. Hindi pwedeng laging ikaw kagad. You have to think kung sino yung mga kaharap mo, kasalamuha mo. Thank God dahil I'm happy in here. Hindi puro trabaho. Hindi puro trabaho na kasi pinabayaran tayo ng company. I belong to a company right now na hindi lang yung gusto mo ang pwedeng masunod. Could you have to balance your ideas and your decision?
And 1992, PLDT or San Miguel?
Unpopular decision.
Okay. Ang sagot ng Team Taglamig ay San Miguel Corporation. Ang sagot ng Team Taginet ay PLDT. Okay. The largest corporation is San Miguel Corporation. Kung natatandaan nyo noon, noong 1991, 1992, monopolize ng PLDT ang telepono. Wala pang cellphone, di ba? So, the question is, most profitable. Ibig sabihin, malaki ang kita dahil sa pinakamalaking kumpanya. Pag ang tanong, what is the biggest company? It's SMC. Pero since profit na tinatanong, it's PLDT. Ano score? 6-5. 6-5. Pandesal literally means what? Hot bread or salted bread? Pandesal!
Hot.
Mainit-init pa! Salted bread. Ayan. Di ba, wala naman pandesal na, wala naman nagbenta ng pandesal na malamig, di ba? Usually mainit. Pero kasi, ang Spanish ng tinapay, pan. Ang Spanish ng salt, sal. So it's pandesal. Salted bread. Congratulations para sa Team Tag. So lamang pa rin ng 1 point ang Team Tag namin. Who is Bruce Banner? Incredible Hulk or Batman? Batman.
Tama si Hope. Tama si Hope.
Hulk or Batman? Okay, si Batman ay si Bruce.
Hindi pwedeng puro tao. I'm so grateful, thanking everyone, lalo na po sa mga taong araw-araw kong kasama sa trabaho, sa finance, sa HR, yung kakasakit ng mga rooms, sa registrar, na sila yung nagbibigay sa akin ng kung paano ko i-adapt ang sarili ko sa atmosphere natin, sa culture natin dito. So, raise calm, para nasa si Pastor Ed, feel more anxiety. Mr. Feel more anxiety. Pwede hindi na ba tayo ibigay? Rowena Baez. Virgin Baloy.
Okay. Sige pa. Ayan, iba sa taas. Ayan. Compress po tayo. Compress po tayo. Compress. Okay, first picture.
Larry Fernandez. Sarah Garrison. Ay, hindi na pala. Babasahin ko pala namin. Kasi na po, ako po ay kaanunaan. Certificate of Completion. This certificate is proudly presented to your name in recognition of your completion.